In this video, we're getting real about work being done through your ceiling instead of the floor, especially when it's about dealing with rat issues and how that can seriously impact your living space. So, here's the deal. If your upstairs neighbor's vents are causing a nasty smell, and they suspect a dead rat or rat poop in between floors, yeah, that's a legit concern. When maintenance wants to remove your bathroom ceiling and part of your bedroom ceiling to fix the vent, it's not just about dust and dirt. It's also about the smell and the potential for rat droppings falling into your space. You're right to worry, since this kind of work can spread that gross smell around, especially if it's a weeks-long project. If you work from home and have a dog, that disruption and the bad air quality can totally mess with your day-to-day life. It's natural to want them to fix the problem from the upstairs floor instead, even if it means more work or cost on their side, because it's your home being invaded here. You gotta stand up for your peace of mind and your right to a clean, safe environment. A big tip is to ask for a detailed plan on how they'll contain the dust, control odors, and clean up after, plus maybe get them to do the work in phases so it's not chaos all at once. Also, check if you can negotiate for compensation or temporary accommodation since you'll be dealing with serious disruption. One of the biggest mistakes people make in situations like this is just accepting the work without pushing for proper containment and cleanup measures. .tzo. That's how you end up with long-term smell and mess in your apartment. Another common issue is not questioning why the ceiling option is chosen instead of going through the floor. Sometimes it's all about cost cutting rather than what's best for you. Lastly, people often forget to ask for written guarantees on cleanup and damage repair, which leaves them stuck if something goes wrong. Always get everything in writing and demand clear communication about how they'll handle the rat poop and smell problem so you don't get blindsided. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for situations like this because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who respect your space and want to get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself or know someone who is, it's a great way to find work on projects that really matter to homeowners dealing with tricky repairs like yours.